Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram doesn't have a photo access problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and then, as you see here, scroll down to the apps section and then go to the search and search on Instagram, and now go to the storage. Here you will find this clear cache and click on it. Go check if it worked. So if it didn't work, you can maybe try to restart the phone, or if it didn't work again, you can try to clear data. But be careful, when you clear data you will lose all your data and all your stuff. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.